Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 10 things that are going to cover how growing up in Kenya is. Number one, growing up in Kenya is really fantastic, it's amazing. So point number one, weather. The weather in Kenya is fabulous, really fabulous. What I mean is Kenya is blessed. Kenya is blessed with sun, solar, and weather is fantastic. That makes number one of all. Growing up in Kenya, it just kills it all. Growing up in Kenya with this fantastic weather makes it even more and more fabulous. Number two, family. Well, I don't think there's any other part of the world I can compare with regarding families in Kenya, or regarding my family. I'm saying this specifically when I'm referring to my family. I think growing up in a Kenyan family is just wow. It's fantastic, really fabulous. It's the bomb. The thing is, the Kenyan family is just lovely. It's so funny. It's always there for you when you need them. It's very supportive. And Kenyan family, oh my god, may God bless you. I mean, anything regarding Kenyan family, respect. Number three, school life. Oh my god, school life in Kenya is really awesome. It's adventurous, it's awesome. I don't think I can compare anywhere in this world I have been in school with Kenya. I think the experience I had in the Kenyan school, this was amazing. It kills it all. The thing is, the Kenyan school, the normal Kenyan school starts from, I'm going to speak according to my own experience. Well, it starts from nursery and goes to primary school. In primary school, you have class 1 to 8, and with that, you have from class 1 to 3, you are divided in lower, like you are in the lower primary. Then from class 4 to 8, you are in the upper primary school. That means you people are growing up, and definitely you are just more adventurous in whatsoever, like the teenage life, the teenage where the teenage stage starts from. It starts mostly from class 6, class 5, and there. So from there on, you are regarded as really teenagers, and this is just one amazing experience in the Kenyan school. And the Kenyan school also is also classified in two things, like two sections. There are those who visit the day school and the boarding school. So the day school is where you go from from home, you go to school, and that's how you do it. The boarding school, that's where you spend the night in the school for 3 terms, like for 3 months, without going home. And this is another adventure in the school. When you are in the boarding school, the food is another adventure, because there you're now treated as home, and this is where you get to know life in real sense. Like, you have to fight for your own. You have to really to be very perseverance with every situation and many other things that comes along. And um yeah, the Kenyan school has short terms. Especially, I'm now talking about the boarding school. You have the short terms where you go home after maybe a month or a month and a half spending in school, and you spend or you visit the family for 2 or 3 days, and then you come back. So this is another break where you just move out of the school. You know, the school is like somehow like a prison. Well, not really a prison, but it's where you just spend the whole time in the school without going outside, without knowing what's happening. You only know what is happening within the school compound, and so on and so forth. So you have the visiting days as well. This is where after 2 or 3 months, or no, mostly 2 months, you or the school organizes some visiting days where your family and friends and whoever comes to visit you. And this is another big day for the Kenyan school, where you are happy, and as a student you have the opportunity to see your family, to talk with your family, to eat something from home, and to just to enjoy this, the time and everything about whatever is going on at home or outside. So and apart from that, there are the school activities, especially when you are okay. This happens in boarding or in day school. There are these activities that happen in school, and this includes maybe church activities, CU. Then there are mathematics programs. I don't really remember how they used to call them. The YMCAs. There is these symposiums, and then there are, I can't really remember. Well, all the same, this is another adventurous way of keeping the students really more creative and more interacting with the other schools, where the schools come to other schools and take some activities with you, or you compete or stuff, or even the sports and other things, drama festivals. Oh, this is another, oh my god. Well, generally school life is the bomb. In Kenya, school life, thumbs up. I miss school life. I just wish I would ever go back to school and experience all what I ever had once again. This will be amazing. Yeah. That all said, there's so much to explain and talk about school. All the same, let's go back to the next point, and that's food. Food in Kenya. Food is another point. I don't know, like, food is a symbol. It's without the food, I don't know, there's no togetherness in the family. So for those who've grown in Kenya, you just know what I mean with food. This includes the favorite foods, the staple foods, the every tribe is known for a specific kind of dish, or I don't know. So this means, like the Kikuyus, they are known for githeri. They are known for mokimo, njahes, and all that. The Luos are as well known for ugali, fish, mbuta, omena, all this stuff. And for the Maasais, you know them for that blood that they drink, the meat they eat, and you know, every every tribe is known for a specific food. And the food side is another interesting thing about growing in Kenya, because you have the chance to experience and to get to know more about different foods in Kenya. And the best thing about it is you consume fresh food. Like there's okay, well, in my time of growing up, you only knew fresh foods. There were not tinned beans, maize and stuff, salami. No way. You only knew fresh food, like fresh meat, fresh fish, fresh vegetables, fruits. And fruits, oh my god, fruits are all over. Like you go to Shosho, they have the trees there, avocados, mangoes, plums, bananas, name them, call them, I don't know. You know, food is, I don't know, there was that season of maembes. The maembes, you used to eat them with chili, or I don't know. And then there came a season for plums, and then there came a season for machungwas. You know, it was just really funny. And food is just one thing that makes life growing up in Kenya really fantastic. Now, next to my next point, occasions. Number 5, occasions. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, I mean occasions in Kenya. This is another interesting point that makes growth